Data table properties now live fully inside the data canvas. So instead of the old classic standalone dialogue, everything, table statistics, table lists, data tables relations, tables metadata and properties, they are now all accessed through the data canvas. And this makes the data canvas the central hub for understanding and managing tables. And same as for column properties, right after the release of 14.7, we will publish an article in the community to explain the new workflow. In Spotfire 14.6 LTS released a few weeks back, we launched a new dynamic welcome page for users to learn about new features, changes of workflows, to let them access training, events, demos. And in 14.7, we are adding a new Learn and Discover flyout so that users can access that information at any time without having to close the analysis, just by clicking this button here. And the goal, of course, here is to better support our users' onboarding and to provide them with educations on how to use the product and how to leverage the latest features we provide.